All right, guys, this is your boy No Chill Chat checking in, and I got a little unboxing today. Got some new products from Screaming Chicken, and we're gonna get these installed on the car probably within the next day or so. But I at least want to unbox it so you can see exactly what you get in the package. Don't mind that high-pitched noise that's in the background. They installed this new AC unit out here, and it screams. I don't understand what's wrong with it, but it's brand new though, so. Ugh, damn, wash my beard. But anyway, without further ado, it's gonna be a short video. Like I said, right now the car's in the shop, adding some upgrades for those last parts that you guys saw in my last video, and we should be getting that back in the next day or so. Of course, it's over at J-Rod Speed Shop, and let me go and get these parts so you guys can see them. This comes from Screaming Chicken. Check them out because you can get all your lighting needs, you know, little accessories, the antenna on my car, whole bunch of stuff you can actually get from their website. So without further ado, here we go. So I've pretty much already taken everything out of the box. And what I have are the Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lamps. And what Screaming Chicken does is they make these little brackets so that you can outfit these to your F-body. So it also comes with a backlight tap wire kit, and I'll show you guys what's that for. These actually got the connectors, got the taps, everything is included. The wires are covered, wrapped, heat shrink. That looks good. And then of course, it's actually a bigger box than I thought. I thought it would be a little smaller, but what you're gonna see is we're gonna have these bright headlamps, or excuse me, fog lights. And pretty much with the lights on the car, like I haven't really been satisfied with the headlights on the car. I did purchase Screaming Chicken's other fog lights. They look really good. You know, they actually work, but because my headlights don't work that well, you know, the fog lights don't seem to work either, but they look really good. If you're looking for a replacement fog lamp, the other ones are a little bit cheaper and they're more cost effective. I think they're like $129 or something like that, $149.95. Well, these are $250. But these are a lot bigger, these are a lot brighter. They do include the brackets, everything you're gonna need. And this is the front of it. But then you also have this backlight. So I think this backlight comes on with the daytime running lights, which is actually pretty cool. So I didn't know it came with that, but I'm kind of anxious to get that. And that's what those wires right there are for. So when you open the box, of course, it comes with, you got a code here, you can scan it. It comes with the instructions as well. Some paper instructions, which I think I left in the house, or you can scan the code and then get them. It comes with both lamps. I did open up one, and as you can see, the fog lamp looks really good. You can see where the backlight is gonna be. The hardware, everything is powder coated or anodized. The brackets included. Everything is plug and play. The fog lights are automatically leveled before shipped out. You can't adjust them yourself with the screw right there, but everything is already adjusted before it actually leaves the shop. But as you can see, this thing looks really good. And as you can see, I mean, I don't have the biggest hands, but You can see what the size of that is right there. I think the other ones are, maybe half that size, or it kind of fits inside of here. But if you go look at some of my old previous video, you'll see where I installed the Screaming Chicken fog lights on my vehicle before. So I think the other ones were Morimoto. These are Diode dynamic, so I'm pretty sure these will light up the road since my headlights don't work as much. And it's mainly due because, of course, the headlights are it's a halogen lens. It's an open lens. It doesn't have any projectors or anything inside of it. And I have the black housing. So there isn't that much chrome inside of the housing to really throw that light going forward. And I've done 2 different sets of bulbs. They work, but it's just not as bright. And typically I'm the one to tint my windshield, but I have not tinted the windshield on this car because without a tinted windshield at night, if the road's not really lit up, like a highway or it's like a back road or something, I can barely see. So this is just going to be an upgrade for safety purposes. But for the people that may be interested in buying this fog light, it's definitely of quality. I mean, really good quality, to be honest. But once I get it installed, I'll have another video of it installed on the car, and you can just see how well it's going to illuminate. But check those guys out, screamingchicken.com. And I got some more videos coming before I leave for work. But hit me up, guys. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the car with the new Pro Charger setup. I got some more things coming, and hopefully I'm like officially done with the build, by the end of the year. Like, for the most part, like literally everything would have been touched. And then of course, there are just some small touch up and cosmetics I could do later. But, hit me up, check out my website, nochillchat.com. Check out my social media. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see on the channel, or, maybe what my next build should be. If you have any questions, hit me up, man. I'm always open. I'm an open book. I don't mind, giving out the sauce, giving out the recipe so that you don't have to like figure stuff out on your own. You can just know what works and what's going to work best for your build. All right. This is No Chill Chad checking out. Later.